Oh, he took Sissy's. He looked at pterodactyl bird. Isn't it, Sis? You see that pterodactyl?
Oh, Daddy.
One pterodactyl. Two pterodactyls.
He both went on.
Oh, he did one, Grace. See? Oh, he did a double. Did he do a double? Oh, he's back again. Another guy. Hand up high, Sis. Oh, oh. Miranda, they're coming. There's all kinds. They're everywhere. I'm getting in on this action. Oh, he went for Sis. Oh, he went for Grayson. Oh, he went for Dad. Oh, he's going for Sis again. He can't decide. He took Dad's. They couldn't make up their mind. There was just too many pterodactyls.